Alright, so looking at our last video, I noticed that 70% of you guys have watched the video but have not subscribed to the page, which tells me that you guys are definitely interested in juggling. And if that's the case, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be posting up the latest lesson today, so let's get right on to it, shall we? Let's go. Alright guys, what is up? This is your host Baka. I hope you guys are having a good morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I hope you continue to stay amazing. In today's lesson, we're going to be covering how to do half showers. Now, in order for you guys to be familiar with this, it's best to check out our first video, which is the cafe video right over here. Anyways, let's get right down to it. So, to give an explanation of showers, half showers, your dominant hand does an outer throw, so it throws a lot higher, and then your non-dominant hand throws lower and does what's called an inside throw. Alright, so the first step in our lesson is to start off with 2 balls. Now, whichever hand is your dominant, you throw the highest, and this causes your non-dominant hand to catch what's coming from the right. Now, your non-dominant hand, on the other hand, does a low throw. So it's lower than the throw on your dominant hand. This is called a inside throw. The one that you throw with your dominant hand that's higher, that's called an outside throw. So, what's essentially happening is, as you throw the ball in the air on your dominant side, your non-dominant hand begins to throw the ball, but notice that they don't intersect because one is higher and one is lower. And in this case, your non-dominant hand should be prepared to catch this one, and your dominant hand should be prepared to catch this ball right here, like so. Like so. And then once you do what's on the right, your non-dominant hand, you also do on your dominant hand. So whatever you do on your right, do on your left. Now, how do we implement it with 3 balls? The best way to start off would be to start from a cascade, right? And what you want to do is you want to start the outside throw on your dominant hand. So this one again throws higher. It goes over the cascade. Watch again. Got it? Do this every 3 throws. So 1, 2, 3. Oops. Again. 1, 2, 3. Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Once you get used to that, once you get used to doing it every 3 beats, then you start to do it every 1 time. So once you get the beat down, it should look something like this. And just like what I said, anything that you do on your right side, you must also do with your left. So same thing. I know it takes a while to get used to getting your dominant hand to work, but over time you'll start to get the hang of it. And normally, like with tricks like this, it can take about 2 to 3 days maybe even less, maybe even hours if you put enough practice into it, and you should be able to get the hang of it. And with that said, that concludes our lesson for today. I hope you guys enjoyed learning from today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below, or you can ask me live on Twitch. I stream every Friday through Sunday, 8 p.m. Tomorrow Standard Time. And what else? Without further ado, Stay groovy, y'all, and peace out. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye!